Dreaming of that shiny new motorcycle? Let's get the timing right. First up, end of the month. Dealers are itching to hit those quotas. Translation: discounts galore. Next, keep your eyes peeled for new model releases. When the new bikes roll in, old models get the boot. Cue price drops. Don't forget, winter's your secret weapon. Nobody's buying bikes in the snow. Use that to your advantage. Finally, make friends with the internet. Track prices and pounce when they dip. Knowledge is power, my friend. So, end of the month, new model season, winter blues, and online deals. That's your roadmap to snagging that dream ride. Catch you on the open road.